You hear that the females, when they are moving around, they don't make that sound.
Yeah, but that makes it more vulnerable to predators.
Predator, they don't associate that sound as a prey.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not an easy catch, as most people think. He's actually very alert, very difficult to approach on foot. You really get close. These ones, oh, they see. They pay attention a lot.
It's huge. Look at his neck, yeah? The neck, comparing to females. So thick, yeah?
Someone is having a free ride there. Can you tell?
Oh, here he comes.
Kilo, I just want to check behind mana planes, then come and catch a group while I proceed. Mountain, Jalawberry.
Copy, I'm maintaining Ecoton.